Today, I'm talking about the top 5 coats that you need in your wardrobe this winter. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm so pumped to see you guys. Today, we are talking about one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe, coats. Before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know if you hit that red subscribe button down below, I will show up in your mailbox every time I load a new video and we can hang out. And also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and then that way I know what type of videos you guys like. Moving straight on into the video, let's talk about coats. It's getting colder, it's the winter season. Regardless of where you live, you're gonna need a coat. Even if you live in the south, the temperature still drops for you guys at nighttime. One of the top 5 coats that you need to have in your wardrobe is a trench coat. This trench coat is amazing. It is well cut. You need a basic trench in your wardrobe. This particular coat is by Burberry. It is an incredibly well-made coat. I'm just gonna do it up for you guys. But any trench coat that actually fits your body will do. They vary in the cut, in the color, in the fabrics. They live for a very long time. A trench coat is a forever piece, so you will have it forever. So my advice to you is buy the highest quality trench coat that you can afford. A trench is a classic piece. It can go really with any style of wardrobe, whether you're preppy or you're a little more edgy, you can throw it on, and it's a very light coat that will keep you warm, and it could be water resistant depending on what type you get. The trench coat. Moving from lightest to heaviest, here is coat number 2. You need to have a light sweater jacket in your wardrobe. This one happens to be patterned. I got it from a company called Backdrop. They are amazing. The quality and the feel is so great. So this one sort of looks like a bomber jacket, but it's a sweater. So it's a very lightweight sweater coat that you can throw on. I'm wearing this with black pants, black boots, but I could literally throw this on with a pair of blue jeans, white t-shirt, runners, gray t-shirt. This one is patterned. Yours doesn't have to be. Any type of lightweight sweater coat is a fantastic jacket to have in your wardrobe. The teddy coat. It is wildly popular last year and this year. There are several styles that are out. This could be also classified as a statement coat. I just have classified it as a staple this year. The teddy coat comes in many different shapes, sizes, cuts. I really liked this one. I saw it at Aritzia. I like it because it's a little bit edgy, but it actually has a classic cut to it, and it's an oversized feel. I love a good teddy coat. And again, there's many out there. This one, I'll leave a link to it below. This jacket that I am wearing actually is an extra small, if you can believe it. And it is an oversized cut. So just beware when you're ordering online. If you are, I am 5'4", and I'm fairly tiny. I've chose the extra small and it is quite large, but I did try on the extra small and I just didn't like the look. It was super tight, and there's nothing worse than a really tight bag coat that should be baggy. So this jacket, the teddy coat. Coat number 4, the statement coat. It is so nice to have a statement coat in your wardrobe. This is mine. Let's be honest, if you watch a lot of my videos, you know that I love leopard. This has been my absolute favorite jacket. Leopard is everywhere this season. I actually bought this one 2.5 years ago now, and I bought it at Zara. I saw it online, I saw it on a blog. I was like, I need to have that coat. I just liked the way the lapel was. I liked the length of it, and I liked the color. It is faux fur. The price was right. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna grab that coat. Like, even if I don't really wear it, it won't matter. I wear this coat probably a few times a week, like at least 3. I've worn it in London. I've worn it all over the world. It has been absolutely fantastic. There's a million out there. I will link to them below. I just wanted to let you guys know something that's a little more like voluminous, like this one and the last coat, the teddy coat. Try to get some length out of them, because if you get them a little shorter, you're just gonna kind of look like you're really fluffy and have a lot of volume. Basically, you look large. But anyway, this statement coat has been my favorite by far. Yours could be anything. It depends on what you love. Like, I've seen some really cool faux fur, like pink statement coats, leopard, zebra, whatever you like. But just have one statement coat in your wardrobe when you can actually throw it on with jeans and a t-shirt and walk out the door and look like you put a lot of effort in, when really it's just your statement coat. The fifth coat that you need in your wardrobe that is a must-have is a long, classy wool coat. This one is a little bit more of a deviation from a classic long wool coat. You can get one that doesn't have anything on it. In fact, this one, I can actually take this off and this lapel is very clean. I'll do that for you so you can see what it looks like. This wool coat is made from alpaca that is ethically sourced on a small farm. The animals are not harmed. It's from Centillier. It is absolutely amazing. My friend makes these coats and you have seen them on Meghan Markle, Kate Middleton, Sophie Gregoire Trudeau. They have become wildly popular. She's done a fantastic job with the fit and form of this particular coat. So what I'm saying is basically in every wardrobe, a long wool coat, the best quality that you can afford would be fantastic because this one I believe I've had for at least 3 years. I will leave a link down below. I believe she still makes coats that look very similar to this one. It is actually one of my favorite coats. I wear it dressed up with dresses when I head out to events, and I also wear it and throw it on the same thing with like jeans or like vegan leather pants, and I roll out with a graphic tee. It is multi-purpose. And actually, I just reached into the pocket to put my hand in and found airplane headphones. So I was like, oh, I've traveled in this coat. So it is my dressy coat. I do use it when I dress up and I'm wearing dresses and I'm going to events. And clearly I wear it all the time on airplanes too. And it's actually quite lightweight and it's lined. So for this classic wool coat, I've now taken off the collar and I have a very classic, contemporary, ready to wear gray wool coat. Easily worn, dressed up with a dress and heels, or chuck it on with a graphic tee and a pair of pants. You guys don't need to have this wool coat in your wardrobe, but some type of classic wool coat for winter. It is definitely a must-have. So whether you are going to get one that is $60 or you find one online that's on sale, or you're going to get a really expensive one, that is up to you. Whatever you can do, but it is a must-have for your wardrobe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you liked it, to give it a thumbs up and hit this red subscribe button down below, and I will show up in your mailbox and we will hang out. Let me know in your comments which coat was your favorite. Let everyone else know if you have a favorite coat that you think they should add to their wardrobe and where you found it. And I will leave links to mine down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.